Are your iPhone calls heading straight to voicemail? We know how annoying that can be. Don't worry though, there are a few simple steps you can take to fix this issue. Let's dive into how to resolve the problem of iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. Solution 1. Check call forwarding settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Phone. After that, select Call Forwarding. Now ensure that call forwarding is either turned off or set correctly. If it's on, you don't want to forward calls, just toggle it off. Solution 2. Select the right carrier. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down a bit until you find Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap on Network Selection. Turn off Automatic Selection. Then select your SIM card manually. Now check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. Next, try ejecting your SIM card from your iPhone. Wait for a few moments to let things settle. After that, reinsert your SIM card back into your iPhone. Now try making a call and see if it works. Solution 4. Check for iOS update. Open the settings on your iPhone once more. Tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and tap Download and Install. If there's no update, then go back and scroll down. Find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your network settings, including your Wi-Fi passwords, but don't worry, it won't delete any of your data. And that's how you can fix the issue of iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. If you have any questions or need further help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and happy calling.